Pack your bags, grab your hat, don't look back. This is it, let's take a trip. No regrets, bus a train, bike a plane, whatever might be. Not a whole lot of cash, but enough for ice cream. Got a whole lot of plans, some might call them pipe dreams. But we gotta keep moving till we see what life brings.
All right, we've just arrived here at the Akame 48 waterfall area. Not quite at the waterfalls yet, but this place is apparently famous for ninja training back in the day up in the waterfalls, which we're gonna go check out in a minute here. You can see the ninja motif. There's a ninja like training school you can go to and put on the outfit and all that. But yeah, let's head on up, take this little hike. I don't think it's very far. Let's see what the waterfalls have to offer. So I'm here in the summer, but my summer vacation, but it's Tuesday, so not a whole lot of people here, which is great for me. We can just kind of enjoy this quietly, peacefully, slowly. It's a little hot right now. The weather is actually pretty good because it's cloudy. I think it's going to get hotter later. Obviously, we're still early here. It's 10 something in the morning. But if we can keep it cloudy, that would be awesome. There's an Akame Natural History Museum. Maybe we'll stop by there. Tourist information. Do I need a map? I don't know. I don't need a map. Do I have Google Maps? It feels great to be out in the countryside. Forest Ninja Reception. So I guess that's where the little training thing is at. Oh yeah, there's a Salamander Center. Apparently these like really big face salamanders, kind of rare salamanders, are out here. There's a place you can go inside and see them close up. Sometimes they say you might be able to catch them out in the wild, but it's pretty rare. A lot of the shops are closed. I'm not sure if that's pandemic related or just season related or weekday related. But, oh, there, and that looks like the path into the woods, which probably leads to the waterfalls. Here we go. Fudo Aoyama Quasi National Park. All right, this looks like it's going to be good. Those are the salamanders I was talking about. Japanese Salamander Center is inside, so 20 minutes. We'll get to the Salamander Center before that. 20 minutes of walking. A couple of different waterfalls. They're all famous for, I think, various reasons. 90 minutes. You know what? I think we can do 90 minutes. We'll just walk all the way to, we'll see them all, I guess. Let's go. Oh, there's some, the ropes. There's nobody out there doing it, but I saw pictures. The ninja training, part of the ninja training is like going across these, on these ropes and stuff. And there's a plank right there. I guess you walk it. Yeah, looks like nothing's going on today. Don't know exactly why, but and here is the Salamander Center. So let's go check it out. Hopefully, I don't know how much we can record or not, but let's go find out. Do not put your hand in the water tank. I don't see any. So we're inside the Salamander Center. Japanese giant salamander. This one's name is Takeru. character is Naughty Child. Okay. But I don't see him right now. Oh, I do. Yeah, he's inside that little pipe thing. You can see his kind of flat, big head at the end there. Oh, they have a whole little zoo in here. Aquarium in this mug. Another one. Oh, okay. No flash. No flash. That's okay. We're okay. We're all right here. Character is coward. I love these characters they put to these guys. Humility. Where's the coward at? Whoa, those cool ones with the little like ear head thingies that go back. Well, that's kind of weird looking. His face looks like a kind of like a mammal, like a little baby bear or something when it's first born. Okay, well this is interesting. Before you go to the waterfall, they have a little center here. It's a lot more elaborate than I was expecting. I thought it was just going to be like one tank. Look at this, baby. That dude is huge. Now that would scare me to see that in the wild, though. There you go. A little something, something for the kiddies on the way through, and then the stamps. They love the stamp. Ooh, I just want to jump in that. It's pretty clear too. Oh, I think we have the first of many waterfalls. It's really so calming and relaxing as well. The sound of the river. And there's just enough like within this forest, little open spots that the sun is coming down through. It's pretty cool looking. Hope you guys are getting some sense of the amazingness through this video. We're here at waterfall number 2. Reiji? I forgot already. It's either Leja or Reiji. You'll see it somewhere in the video. Bigger than the last one, so I'm assuming they get bigger and grander. Random bull statue. Probably not so random, but I can't read that, so for us it's random. And here we go, waterfall number 3, called Fudo Waterfall. Definitely bigger than the last 2. I mean, I'm pretty excited. If the setup here is that it just keeps getting grander and grander. Man, I want to take a swim so bad right now. Says Otome Fall right here. Is this what we're looking at? Is this a waterfall? It certainly didn't get grander and grander, but I guess when you got so many, you know, they can't all be big hitters. There's a salamander. I found one. It's not one of the big Japanese ones in the aquarium. It's kind of a chameleon looking color. I doubt I'm gonna get too close to it without it running away. Oh, there you go. You see it? You see it? It's pretty cool looking. It's got a really long tail. Are any of these poisonous by chance? I sure hope not. We've arrived at Senju Falls. It's in the little guide as one of the top 5, I think, of the waterfalls here. And apparently the legend says it's named after a goddess because of the way the water goes down. Kind of looks like it's splashing between hands. So we're taking a little break here. I got a little canned coffee from a little shop. I was trying to get a hot dog, but apparently they only serve that on the weekends. They didn't have much food options, but I wanted to buy something. It was a little kind older lady in a little shop in the middle of nowhere, so you know. I wanted to support and get something. We got the guide here. So best 5 of Akame 48 waterfalls. Number 1, Fudo, we went there. Senju is right here. That's Senju, what we've been looking at. And then, so we still haven't seen Ninaitaki, Ninai, and Bewa. We're definitely going to see the trail we're on. Most of those. I'm not sure about Bewa. Probably. I guess we'll walk all the way down there. Right there to Bewa. 80 minutes by walking. Hiking guide has 3 different versions: short and easy, moderate course, advanced course. We're on the purple now, about to hit the purple. So we're doing the moderate course. And I haven't decided exactly how far I'm going down to, but I mean, there's a waterfall all the way down here, 90 minutes, Gankutsu Waterfall. But the last one on the big recommendation list, Bewa, is right there, 80 minutes. So we might just stop there, but another 10 minutes, I don't know, maybe we'll go all the way to the end. Anyways, I'll finish up this coffee real quick. Not the best, gonna be honest, the UCC canned coffee. I'm a boss guy. You guys might know from previous videos. I'm assuming swimming is not a thing, not allowed, not sure. Haven't seen any signs about that, but I would guess so. Yeah, that looks pretty deep. There's a lot of emergency SOS boxes here. The most I've seen in any woods, actually. I wonder if people get stuck out here. It shuts down pretty early. I think it's like 5 o'clock. And there's no lights in here after that. So, I mean, in the summertime, it's not gonna get dark until 7:30 or something anyways, but guess in other seasons, you gotta be a little bit more careful. And if you get stuck out here, you might wanna use the SOS box. And we are at the number 4th recommended waterfall, Ninaitaki. Ooh. Definitely in the top 5 so far. Let's go down a little bit. So we got a double waterfall here. Both of them are pretty good size. Yeah, this is a nice one. This is what I came for. This is that real waterfall goodness. So there's only one more that's left on the actual top 5 list. There's a couple more in general, but we'll see once we get to this last recommended one. What's the plan? All right, looks like we made it to the last one, Bewa Falls, the last one on the top 5 list. Around this corner, I guess. Yep, there it is. Spider webs. I think I got to give a top waterfall to the double one that we saw right before this. This one, I mean, this one has the sheer size. But the other one more I don't know, cool to look at. What do you guys think? What was your favorite waterfall? Let me know in the comments. And we're gonna end off a nice trip with a nice little meal. We got the miso soup here. We got some like pickled tsukemen, as they call it in Japanese, some little pickled side dish. And the main entree is this beef bowl, rice beef bowl. So this beef is popular in this area. And it does look pretty good, doesn't it? So that's it. This is the farewell meal for today. It's been a nice little journey. Now I need to eat up and head home. And this is why I decided to walk back instead of take the bus. Because on the way here, I saw these jokers sitting out here. A bunch of scarecrows. There's actually a cafe right back there called Kakashi, which is scarecrow in Japanese. So I guess there's a theme going on here. I can imagine how creepy this probably is at nighttime. But right now, it's kind of funny. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, comment, share, all of that jazz. And I will see you all in the next one.